A very good morning and welcome to one and all. With the blessings of Almighty, today we are there over here for our maths and statistics lecture. So today we'll be starting with the second sub part over here, that is the index number. Already we have completed with this topic. We are running with this topic, but today we are going to take some new conceptual based on this topic only. So already we have cleared with the concepts, that is base year, current year, and the rest of the values. So based on that only, today I would like to take the index number, in that weighted index number is basically classified into the five parts. It is classified into the four parts, that is Lespius price index number, Pasch's price index number, Dorbush-Boles price index number, and Marshall-Edgeworth's price index number. Now coming towards the topic over here, that is Lespius price index number. Before going ahead with that, base year is always indicated by 0 and current year is indicated by 1. So according to the rule, base year price can be written as an P0 because shortcut for price is P and for the base year is 0. Simultaneously for quantity shortcut over here we have, that is Q. Since it is a base year, it will be 0. Simultaneously, I am coming towards the next sub part, that is current year. Current year price will be having P1, as the current year is identified by 1. Current year quantity, so current year quantity would be Q1 over here. Now the commodities are given to us, that is A, B, C, D, and base year price and quantity is given. Current year price and current year quantity are given to us. We need to calculate all these concepts. Now whenever we calculate all these concepts, what we are supposed to do, we need to put down all these columns first of all, and after that we need to plot some of the columns, that is P0, Q0. See, the columns are not so difficult. You may go with the factors, that is current year price, base year price with base year quantity, then base year price with current year quantity, current year price, that is P1 into Q0. Not changing the sequence of Q1 and Q0, you may put down like that only, P1 and Q1. Same way I will be doing over here, that is commodity. Base year we will have P0, Q0. Current year will be having P1, Q1. Next column which we are going to draw over here, that is P0, Q0, P1, Q0, P0, Q1 and P1, Q1. So we'll be multiplying with the columns P0, Q0, both this. So 12 into 20 will be 240. 12 into 14 would be 168. Same way you people are going to multiply all the columns. Next one is P1, Q0. So 20 into 18, 360. 12 into 21 is 225. 10 into 12 is 120, and so and so. Nextly we have P0, Q1. So this is P0 and this is Q1 over here. So 12 into 24 will be having 288. 14 into 16 will be having 244, and so and so. Same way we'll be substituting the value, that is P1, Q1. So I am multiplying both this column. 18 into 24 will be 432. 21 into 16 will be 336. 12 into 18 will be 216, and 25 into 25 will be 500. So summation of all this will come towards 1484. So summation we are getting over here, that is 1484. Value is exactly what I am getting over here. So we'll be substituting the value in a formula, that is P0 Q0 is 728, P1 Q1 103 and P1 Q0 is 1056. Simultaneously we'll be getting the value, that is P0 Q1 1056, P1 Q1 is 1484. So getting the values for less pairs, P1 Q1 upon P0 Q0 1032 upon 728, divide both the values into 100. We'll be getting the answer 141.76. Partials, we have the value P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100. So 1484 divided by 1056 into 100. Darvish Boles, we have Darvish Boles, dV is equals to price less pairs plus partials divided by 2. Add both the answers and divided by 2. You will be getting the answer, that is 441.15. Secondly, we have the Marshall Edgeworth. So Marshall Edgeworth के लिए we are going to put down the values. Directly we need to write the formula. There is no shortcut for this. But thing is that less pairs plus partials we are adding over here. So we'll add both the values, less pairs plus partials. So add it to it. Formula, see, numerator to adding numerator and denominator adding to denominator. You need to go in that sequence, huh? So same method you are following out. So add both the values, 1032 plus 1484, 728 plus 1056, that is P0 Q0 plus P0 Q1, 216 plus 1784 into 100. We are getting the answer, that is 141.03. Answer is 141.03. This is exactly what we did over here, that is unweighted price index number, which is being classified as less pairs, partials, Fishers, Darvish Boles and Marshall Edgeworth. Henceforth we have completed with the syllabus based on the weighted. Next part will be taking by upcoming lecture. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself and your family. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you. Thanks a lot.